Hi! Welcome to K-Math TV. In this video, I'll show you how to divide fractions using keep, change, and flip method. Okay, let's solve the first example. 10/18 divided by 3/8. Now, to solve this problem, let's keep the first fraction, the dividend. So, let's copy the first fraction, 10/18. Next is change. Change the division sign to multiplication sign. Next is flip. Flip the second fraction, the divisor. Transpose the numerator and the denominator. So, the denominator 8 will become the numerator and the numerator 3 will become the denominator. Okay, that is how to do the keep, change, and flip method. We keep the first fraction, we change the division sign to multiplication sign, and we flip the divisor. Now, we will multiply the fractions. Multiply the numerators and multiply also the denominators, or use cancellation before multiplying. And to use cancellation, we can do cross cancellation, or we can cancel the first fraction, the numerator and the denominator, as well as the second fraction if they have greatest common factor or GCF. Here, we can cancel 8 and 18, or we can simplify the first fraction. We can cancel the numerator 10 and the denominator 18. Okay, let's simplify the first fraction by dividing the numerator and the denominator by their GCF. The GCF of 10 and 18 is 2. So, let's divide them by 2. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Then cancel 10. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Okay, cancel 18. Okay, this is now the numerator and this is the denominator. 8/3 cannot be cancelled. So, let's multiply now. Multiply the numerators. 5 times 8 equals 40. Then, multiply also the denominators. 9 times 3 equals 27. Okay, the answer is 40 over 27. It is an improper fraction. The numerator is greater than the denominator. So, we need to simplify it by dividing the numerator by the denominator. If we divide 40 by 27, the quotient is 1 and the remainder is 13. Since there is a remainder, we will write the answer as a mixed number. Okay, let's write the answer. The quotient 1 is the whole number. And the remainder 13 is the numerator of the fraction. And the denominator is the divisor 27. Okay, the final answer is 1 and 13 over 27. Next problem, let's divide 15 over 20 divided by 6 over 10. Okay, first, keep the first fraction, the dividend. So, let's just write the dividend 15 over 20. Next, change the division sign to multiplication sign. Then, flip the divisor, the second fraction. Just change the position of the numerator and the denominator. Okay, now let's multiply the fractions. Multiply the numerators, multiply also the denominators, or use cancellation before multiplying. Okay, we can do cross cancellation here. We can cancel the numerator 15 and the denominator 6. And we can also cancel the numerator 10 and the denominator 20. Okay, let's divide them by their GCF and cancel. The GCF of 15 and 6 is 3. So let's divide them by 3. Okay, 15 divided by 3 equals 5. And cancel 15. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Cancel 6. Okay, next, let's also cancel the denominator 20 and the numerator 10. The GCF of 10 and 20 is 10. So let's divide them by their GCF. 20 divided by 10 equals 2. Cancel 20. 10 divided by 10 equals 1. And cancel 10. Okay, we are done with the cancellation process. So, we can multiply now. Let's multiply the numerators. 5 times 1 equals 5. And multiply also the denominators. 2 times 2 equals 4. The answer is 5/4. It is an improper fraction. The numerator is greater than the denominator. So, we can still simplify this fraction by dividing the numerator by the denominator. And if we divide 5 by 4, the quotient is 1 and the remainder is 1. So, the answer is 1 and 1/4.